I am in a really good mood today because I'm in Cardiff and I'm going to see opera for the first time ever. I wanted to dress up for it, but the advice everyone gave me was, you don't need to dress up for opera, you know, you can wear what you like. So I've compromised. I have put on a shirt, but I haven't ironed it. I did think about maybe having a glass of wine with this because, you know, the opera classy. But it is the matinee, it's 3 p.m. I think I'm going to stick to water. I really love people watching in an event like this because I come to musicals, I do this all the time. I look at who comes, you know, what's the target audience, so it's sort of fun looking around. And I'm seeing lots of people that I thought of as opera people, but I'm also seeing, I don't know, younger people, I suppose, and people with families. I can see like parents and their children. It's quite cool and exciting. So I'll tell you what I think opera is, and then we'll see afterwards if I was right. I think big loud voices, big sets, big costumes. For some reason, I'm seeing a woman in Viking horns. I don't know if that's true. The only thing I'm a bit worried about is whether I'm going to be able to follow the plot. I don't know. That's, yeah, the only thing I'm a bit anxious about. Okay, that was absolutely incredible. I expected opera to be a bit cheesy, which it isn't. Like, it's definitely very heightened, but I don't know, I thought there'd be something a bit silly about it. It's really, really classy, really accessible. So they're singing in Italian, there's subtitles in Welsh and English. It's like watching a proper period piece. You know, they're not cheesy costumes, they feel really of their time. The set was incredible. The cast, actually, so many more people on stage than I expected. None of them mic'd up. To me, that's ridiculous. This is a huge, huge venue. They're doing thousands of seats, I think, in that room, and it's massive, and you can hear every word. Just phenomenally good. If you've ever been tempted to see opera, like, do it, you should. It's really, really brilliant. Come out of curiosity and then it'll blow you away. It's been such an exciting thing, and yeah, I don't know, I'm still feeling a bit emotional from the ending.